Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm trying Costco's new chicken and waffles from the deli refrigerated case. I surprised my son with it. The moment he saw it, he wanted it for dinner. The meal kit comes with 4 waffles, 4 pieces of boneless fried chicken, plus maple syrup and a hot honey dip, all for $17. Hungry adults will likely want 2 waffles and 2 chicken pieces each, or you can stretch it to 3 people by splitting. That will come out to just under $6 per person. What I love about Costco's chicken and waffles is that the chicken is boneless. I didn't expect that. It doesn't look boneless, but I was happy they deboned the chicken. Plus, I like that the whole meal kit is complete with dipping sauce and maple syrup. The best part, it's delicious. My son wanted me to buy it again. Also, it was really easy and quick to prepare. Just air fry the chicken and microwave the waffles. In this video, I'll go over step by step how to cook Costco's chicken and waffles. Get your free one-page weekly meal planner and grocery list printable today. Click the link in the description below to download. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more Costco and Sam's Club videos like this. Thanks for watching.